All right. Can I interview you?
Sure.
All right. So tell me about your day in the life here at Casey's.
Okay, so I'm here talking to you guys about fireworks. And if you guys have seen an increase in sales due to the pandemic and a lot of fireworks shows been canceled. And you guys have told me that you guys have been slammed, had the best year ever. So that's really exciting.
Mm-hmm. And do you like your job?
I love my job. I get to do something new every day. Some days are really hard. I'm covering sad stories, but then there are days like this when I get to cover fireworks. I mean,
Who wouldn't like this?
everyone.
Pretty much. If you're alive.
Yeah.
I mean, really alive. Not just alive, but alive.
Exactly. I've had a fun day here, and I'll be back and going live here at 5 o'clock tonight.
Cool. Oh, so you're gonna do a whatchamacallit?
A live hit, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. A live broadcast.
Yep.
Cool. So no editing.
Oh, I've got to edit, yeah.
Oh.
I've got to put together a 1.5 minute segment on this, and then I'll front it live here.
Cool. And how often do y'all come back to Casey's?
I don't know.
Oh,
It just depends.
Because this is your first time, right?
This is my first time here.
Okay. Because you're new to the area.
Kind of. I've been here 10 months, so this is my first summer here in Columbia.
What do you think about Columbia, South Carolina?
I like it. I mean, we're 2 hours from the beach, 3 hours from snowboarding mountains, so
Yeah.
both of my favorite things.
And fireworks are legal all year long.
Ooh,
Awesome.
awesome.
Yeah, 365 days a year.
Really awesome.
Yeah. So there's no excuse not to shoot fireworks around here,
Yep.
especially when you got news broadcasts giving you plugs.
Yep. So you got to tune in to Wach Fox tonight at 5 and 10.